and today we'll be reviewing some cool things that I got for Christmas. It's an animal pack, so as y'all might see here in this box, the rest of it is right here. That's because not all of it can fit. So for today's video, we will be reviewing all of them and going through them. So we'll get the first one out. This is a cow right here. Wait, hold on. It's like moo. So guys, make sure you leave a like and subscribe on today's video. So this, I believe it goes attached to the truck right here. Just grab that truck. It goes attached right there. Okay, very cool. The cow is like, woo! Hey, like and subscribe. So, we got the rest of the cows right here. That one looks like it's eating some grass. And then that one looks like it's just thin. Oh, that one is also eating grass. But that one, it looks like it isn't even hungry. That one right there, as you guys might see. Oh, this one might be cute. There's even some baby cows. They have black and white spots. They look pretty cool. Okay, now they're actually kind of cute. They're like, moo! And then they'll just hang in there with their family. And there's another cow. Moo. Just put that one down right there. Okay, guys. So we'll get another one. Oh, we even got some horses. Nay. And there's even the baby horse. They don't have any articulation, but they are pretty cool though. And cool paint and details added to it. And that one, it's a little brighter, but I like it too. So here somewhere, we got more horses, which are right here. So, like about the same one. Oh, and the cute one right here. Okay, guys, wait. Okay. Now, so guys, right now, for this review, okay, guys. So, these horses are pretty cute. And this is the mom and the dad. Oh, and there's even the baby. There's mom, dad, and the two brother and sister. Okay, guys. Now, for the next part, we'll go on days later. I think those are all the animals now. Okay, guys. Now there's the farmer. Oh, there's the farmer. He's like, I'm gonna rake the grass. Boop, boop. And pretty good paint detail added to it with the rake behind its back. This is pretty cool. Okay, guys, what's next inside the box? Oh, we have the milking man. He's like, I'm gonna milk the cows. Milk, milk, milk. Like, he's just sitting there. Wait, hold on. He's just milking the cows. And there is the truck. So they could put that behind. And then it could just drive away. Okay, guys. So now, we have these, what horses eat. And, they could just dig in. Wait, no. Okay. And they could just dig into the hay and have some fun. They can all share with their families and just have fun. Oh, there's some other ones right here. Cool paint texture added to it. Oh, there's also a copy of this one too. Okay guys, so we even have the tractor. The red tractor, pretty cool. It could just mow the grass, and like the farmer can't really get inside it, but pretend like it's inside, and it could just drive around. Woo! Okay. So 2 more things. Now we have the milk tank. We have the milk tank right here, yeah. And I think the milker will put the milk that he milks from the cow inside here. Looks pretty cool. And also, we got this. Is the thing you normally find in farms. So, this is how it looks like. Pretty cool. We could just spin it. Wait, hold on. You could just spin it around. It could spin and spin. Okay. And last but not least, we have a cage. I believe the cow is supposed to go in there. One of them. I got a cow. We'll put it inside the cage. So, that's pretty cool. And then he's just trapped inside the cage. No, I can't get out. Help me. Okay. And so now we have the farm right here. We could just open it up. This is how it looks inside. There's nothing in there. We could just put all the cows inside the barn. Look, they're inside the barn. They're like taking a nap. Then we could put that in here. And then the baby horse could eat the hay. Pretty cool, right? And like they're all in the barn. Okay, let's take all of them out. Now, last but not least, we already did the barn. We have this big mat right here. Is the platform where you could put all the animals on. Okay guys, so all the cows will go in the cow area right there with the rest of the cows, and all the horses will go in here. And they'll be like, "Hi cows." All of them are tumbled up. And then the farmer will be over here getting the crops ready. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay guys, so that's pretty cool. And then this tractor, it could go right here, and we could just mow and mow. Woo! It's over there now. The farmer's like, wait, what? So just farmers keep on falling. Stop, farmer. Pretty cool. Look at all of them inside their pens. Now we could just put that right there. And we can also put this milk tank right, I think about right there. And then since horses eat hay, I know, they can go, these could go right there. And the truck could just park right there. And then that could go next to the truck, like they're not riding right now. They'll be like, I'll be riding later, okay? Oh, look. Okay, hold on, let me get this going together real good. There we go. Now that that's done, oh, we forgot a baby cow. Hey, you forgot me. Now that he's in there. Oh, we forgot a baby horse too. And that could go here. And the milking man could go right here to milk the cows. So, guys, and the barn could just go right there. So they can all just go in at night. And pretty good. Look at all of them. Whoa. Pretty cool. They added good detail to this. And to all of them. Look at that. Just looking good. Oh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications. This was the first review on my channel. So I hope you did. I'll see you guys later.